So guys, new paying platform have landed this morning again. Yes, you know me now, I'm queen of updates, you understand. So let's dive into the video. So once you click the link on my comment section or description area, all you have to do is to click the link and it will bring you here. Then once it bring you here, you put your email, your phone number, your password, and click sign up now. You understand? Once you sign up, it will bring you here. These are the packages that this platform have. You understand? They have 3,000 naira, which you will be earning profit of 800 naira daily. We have 5,000 naira, which you will be earning profit of 1,350 daily, and the minimum withdrawal is 1,000. You understand? And your profit drops every 24 hours, you get. But I will advise you to go for higher package so that you can be able to withdraw daily, you get. So let's click on profile to look at what is going on there. Click on this profile here. Then you will see they will give you what is it called, funds, welcome bonus of 650 naira, you understand. Then this place is where you will see your deposit record, your withdrawal record, your investment record, your transaction record. And this here is where you put your account for withdrawal, you understand. Go through the process. Let's go back to the home. Then when you want to recharge, you click here, this recharge here. It will bring you here. Let's say we are recharging 5,000 naira. Then I'll click recharge. Once I click the recharge, it will bring me the account number that I will use and make payment. I will copy the account number here. See the account number here. I'll just copy it. Click here to copy, you understand. You copy it, you go to your bank and pay. Maybe you have opay, palmpay and the rest of the bank's app, and pay. Once you pay, you come back to the listing and click payment made. That's here. You click payment made. Then once you make the payment, your this thing will come instantly, you understand. They will recharge you instantly. Then you buy the package you want to buy. Maybe you want to buy this 5,000 naira own, you click it and buy, you understand. If it is 3,000 naira own, you click it and buy. Then it will start reading. Every 24 hours it will drop. And also know that this is high risky investment, so invest what you can afford to lose if anything happens, you understand. So you get so that just it. And please, if it is your first time coming across my channel, please like, subscribe, also comment, you understand. So if you are old subscribers, please also comment and share my video for others to get to see this video and also earn. Then if it is what's it called, join my community group. They